Experiencing a not registered on network error on your Spectrum mobile device? This means your phone's SIM card isn't authenticating with Spectrum's network, preventing calls, texts, and data. Let's troubleshoot. First, power cycle your phone and make sure airplane mode is off. Next, physically remove the SIM card, clean it gently, and reinsert it securely. If possible, test the SIM in another compatible device to see if the issue persists. These are the first fundamental troubleshooting steps. If the basic steps didn't work, it's time to check your APN, access point name settings. These settings tell your phone how to connect to Spectrum's data network. Manually enter Spectrum's APN details. APN should be Internet, MMSC should be htms.spectrummobile.com, and MS proxy should be ms.spectrummobile.com 80. Next, force a carrier settings update in your phone's settings. On iOS, it's usually under Settings, General, About. On Android, it's under Settings, System, System Update. If problems persist, reset your network settings. Contact Spectrum Mobile Support at 1-888-640-9054 for assistance. Or check device compatibility with the network. Remember to check your coverage. These advanced steps should help resolve persistent network registration issues.